Hello everyone! So the purpose of this video is to share with all of you the hand gestures or visual cues that I use in the classroom to help teach letter sounds. So before I begin, I just want to say, make sure when you are practicing these at home, you are not adding a schwa or that extra sound to the end of the letter sounds. So for example, the C does not say k, it says k. Or the D does not say duh, it says d. So just make sure you're being extra precise and crisp with these sounds, and that will help your child later on when they are blending sounds together and reading. All right, so let's begin. The A says a, the B says b, the C says k, the D says d, the E says e, the F says f, the G says g, the H says h, the I says I, the J says j, the K says k, the L says o, the M says the N says the O says ah, the P says p, the Q says qu, the R says the S says s, the T says t, the U says the V says v, the W says w, the X says x, the Y says y, the Z says z. All right, I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have fun practicing your letter sounds and visual cues at home with your child.